Welcome to In the Kitchen with Mata. Today we are cooking beef curry. So I'm gonna start by placing my pot on medium heat, and then I pour in some oil, and I'm going to add my spices. So for today's curry I've decided to use this. It's a kit. It comes with all the spices. So I'm gonna add the herbs. So here are the herbs, and I'm going to fry them with the oil just for a little bit before we add our onions and our beef. So the spice mix has got cinnamon stick, bay leaf, it's got star anise. So we put this on medium heat. So we're going to cut up some onion to add to the spice mix before we add the meat. So I'm dicing 2 small onions now. You can use 1 medium onion. Yep, so my onions are almost done now. So our onion is chopped now, and we're going to add it along with the meat. So first, our spices have been cooking on low heat, and I'm going to add the meat. So here's the meat. So we're going to cook the meat until it browns, and then we're going to add the onion and all the rest of the ingredients. So now we're simmering the beef until it browns. So we're gonna stir our meat while it simmers inside the pot and add the spice. And then we stir. So while the meat is cooking, we're gonna continue with the other ingredients. I'm gonna dice some peppers. I have red and orange peppers here, and I'm going to prepare them as well. And then I cut the peppers first in slices, and then I'm going to dice it. the next pepper now. I'm also doing the same thing. I'm slicing and then I'm gonna cut it, dice it. More like browning it. I'm going to add raja. Then I'm going to add more of this. It's the spice mix. And then I'm going to add our onions. And we stir. So we're going to brown the meat on medium heat with the onions. And then I'm going to add some garlic. And some ginger. And we're going to add some chilies. And then we stir. Mix everything together. The aromas which are coming from this pot are so lovely. It's going to be delicious. Can't wait to share this with my husband. So now we're going to add our peppers. And then we're going to let it cook. It's gonna continue to cook. So while the meat is browning and the flavors are marrying in the pot, I'm going to grate a tomato and add it. So I have one tomato that I'm grating it. You can blend it, puree tomato as well can work. So here's my tomato and I'm going to add it. So the flavors are marrying in here. And I'm going to add the tomato. And then I'm adding some seasoning. So the seasoning that I'm adding is Aromat. You can put salt and pepper if you like. But I just like using Aromat, so the tomato is here and we mixed it well, we seasoned. We're gonna let it cook on medium heat. And then we add some liquids. So I'm gonna close the pot and let it cook for 5 minutes before I add the liquids. So our curry has been cooking on medium heat for 5 minutes. I'm going to add liquids now and let it simmer until tender. So I'm going to add some beef stock that I have here, and I'm going to mix it with water. So we're adding enough liquids to cover the meat, and then we're going to cook it covered on medium heat until the meat becomes tender and our curry will be done. So our beef curry is done cooking now, and this is how it looks like. It is ready to serve now. You can serve with whatever you want, whatever you desire, mashed potato, pap, or rice, anything guys. There's our curry done. I'm gonna dish up some for my husband. So here's some taste for hubby. And me, I like to decorate things, so I'm gonna decorate it. And there we have it, our beef curry.